Riding through Yorkshire, we come upon the ghost of a tree at Buttertub's Pass, golden and green, flapping its leaves, though it is winter and there is no breeze. 7 little sparrows, pale as soldiers, hopping in amongst the curling boughs. Then comes a shout from one of our party, old Albert Bousfield's fallen down a hole. Hope upon hope, fastened to a rope, not able to ascertain how deep it goes. Albert, can you hear me? Make a sound. If you can't make a sound, then clap 2 stones. Leaving behind our friend in the lime pit, we hurry on in quiet dread. Into the fog, smothering the dales, the raindrops are falling like the bars of a jail. Buried in the arsehole of the world, a row of burnt out huts, we made our beds. Lying awake, looking up through the black wooden beams, I can see the Milky Way. Comes there a scream out of the sky, a great ball of fire goes hurtling by. Everyone's awake now, what the hell is happening today? It's all so queer. Rising at dawn to find Thomas Knox has not from his sleep been summoned forth. Face like a mask, fixed in a gasp, we wrap him in blankets and we cover him with grass. Onward with our journey through Towlow and over Headley Hill past Hanging Stone. Cold on and in to fill our bellies with dark bloody meat and sour black beer. There we were warned never to stray far from the road through Kyle Bog. Several of the children from the village disappeared last month without a trace. 3 hours later, we go in single file through a maze of moaning soil, reeking of dung, droning of flies. The moss on the trees glows as we pass by. There is something awful alive in this place. We are most relieved to leave behind. The moon is a peach in the brown fields of Kibblesworth. It won't be long till we get home. Cramp in our guts, bile in our throats, mischief undulating through our bones. Suddenly the city lights surround us, disappearing up into the clouds. 7 little sparrows, pale as soldiers, hopping in amongst the curling boughs.